Hello there. Welcome. Today, we're diving into securing your Spring Boot APIs. We'll use API keys and secrets. This adds a layer of protection. Let's keep unauthorized access away. Securing your API is crucial. It prevents misuse and data breaches. So, let's jump right in. First, let's talk about API keys. Think of an API key as a username. It identifies the client making the request. It's often a long, random string. Next, let's consider API secrets. The API secret is like a password. It's used along with the API key. It authenticates the client. Never share your API secret publicly. Keep it safe. Now, how do we implement this in Spring Boot? We will start by adding dependencies to our project. We'll need Spring Web and Spring Security. Add these to your pom.xml or build.gradle file. This brings in the necessary functionalities. After that, we will create a configuration class. This class will handle our security configurations. We'll define an API key filter. This filter intercepts all incoming requests. It checks for the API key in the header or as a query parameter. If the API key is missing, we reject the request. If it's present, we validate it. We will then define an API key authentication provider. This provider is responsible for authenticating the API key. It compares the API key with a stored secret. The secret is typically stored in a database or configuration file. If the API key and secret match, authentication is successful. Otherwise, it fails. For demonstration purposes, we can hardcode API keys and secrets. However, this is not recommended for production. In a real-world application, you would store them securely. Consider using a database or a secrets management tool like HashiCorp Vault. Remember to handle authentication failures gracefully. Return appropriate HTTP status codes. A 401 unauthorized or 403 forbidden response is commonly used. Make sure to include informative error messages. This helps developers understand what went wrong. Finally, test your API thoroughly. Use tools like Postman or curl to send requests. Verify that only authenticated clients can access protected endpoints. Rotate your API keys regularly. This reduces the risk of compromised keys. Implement rate limiting. This prevents abuse and denial of service attacks. Use HTTPS to encrypt all communication. This protects API keys and secrets in transit. Consider adding more advanced security measures. For example, OAuth 2.0 provides a more robust authentication mechanism. Implementing API key security is just one piece of the puzzle. Layered security is essential. Continuously monitor your API for suspicious activity. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. Consider supporting the channel through Patreon or a similar platform. Your support helps me create more content like this. Let me know in the comments what topics you'd like to see covered in future videos.